Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today
we're on the road.
Don't
mind Shanley, she's driving. I mean Lee. So we're on our way to IKEA. And
to do some shopping.
We're on the hunt for some
bargains,
furnishings,
and all of that jazz. And Callie is on the hunt for some meatballs.
It's my birthday month, so I got a coupon for free meatballs.
And that 99-cent ice cream.
And lingonberry juice. Have you guys had the fucking lingonberry? Let me fucking tell
Lord.
you.
Y'all get on my nerve with that. Literally, my boyfriend was just in the car and he was like, yo, bring me back some of that juice.
Yo.
What? I forgot how it tastes. Maybe I'm like sleeping on it.
You're fucking sleeping on it.
Maybe so.
This is like the type of shit you crave when you're pregnant. Like shit that you can't get everywhere.
you
Lingonberry juice. Nah. I love that shit. We were there, yo. I didn't bring my fucking thing.
You didn't bring your jug.
I have a jug of water that's like this big. I was like, I'm gonna fill it with lingonberry juice. So next time you'll see us, we'll be in
IKEA. You might see a couple of clips of us jamming out.
Bye. So we decided to stop by Five Below. No, I don't need it because I'm filming the stairs. I'm getting a montage. Leave me alone. And we're here. Okay, so we're here. We're talking low because there's not people around us. And yeah, we'll get you guys later. Bye.
Back where?
Damn, I wish I had a kitchen like this.
Whipping it up. Ooh, look at the little mason jars. Oh, that's perfect for like yogurt and granola.
They're $2.99 instead of $4.
Oh, grab one. These are so
Oh no, instead of 3. Wait, why does it instead of 4 $2.99? Oh, these are the $4.99.
I want one. Grab me one.
I'm not even gonna bother with the glass.
Why?
Because DJ is a monster, bro.
Oh, no, this is for the kitchen though. Huh?
I should get my mom a new one.
These are kitchen islands. I don't think we need any for the kitchen.
I want to get some of these for the inside of the things I'm getting. For the...
Okay.
Wait, I want to see what it looks like first. Because I'm going to put it how they have it. I like that.
Do your little face.
I want to put them above. Damn, I should have gotten them from Five Below.
Well, no, because they're $2.79 here.
Big ones, that's why.
Yeah, but that's okay. There's bigger ones right here. How much are these? $4.50.
Oh, really?
Same thing, yeah.
What ones back there?
Oh, let me grab the cart with the purse in it.
Oh, these aren't as
your bras,
Yeah.
but they have the section that has all. Sorry.
Not like I have 12 bras. I literally have like 4, and they're still my nursing bras.
They're still
So
what?
they're mad small.
What are they?
Shut up.
What are they? They're your what
I'm never
bras?
getting rid of those. Those are the most expensive things I've ever.
Are they? Sorry.
But bigger.
What is that for? Oh, that's cute. For like
His balls, so the dog can't get to them, because she done tore up all his balls.
Nina.
His balls will fit in there.
How many balls does he have?
They're small like that. I'm gonna take them. I can't find them. I'm joking. Okay, yo lo cocktail.
All right.
Damn, why this wheel not? I don't know. Well, they have little chairs. They have legs.
Six pack. Ay, pag gordo. $3.29.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Stop leaving the thing because my purse.
I know it's in there. I keep forgetting. I'm doing too much at the same time. Oh, what is that over there? Oh, that brown mirror is pretty. That'd be cute on. People are watching me record myself and I feel weird. I want to tell them stop looking at me. Pero no na por atrás. Oh, they did it to me. I'm gonna do it back. Honey, I'm home. My spoon! Get my spoon!
Oh, hold on.
Get my spoon!
Look.
That's dope. Can you get my spoon, please? Wow.
My pants are too tight.
Your pants are not tight. Pendeja.
For our table.
So guys, I'm gonna do an apartment tour.
You don't look your bitch.
This is my apartment. You wanna see my bathroom? This is my bathroom, guys. Yeah, we just moved in and I love it. It's amazing. This is my shower. So get in here. I'm coming. You're cooking for me, honey?
Guacamole.
Oh, my honey's making me guacamole.
There's chips in the oven.
There's chips in the oven.
What is that?
Induction oven. This is our kitchen. I painted this. Wait, look at it. This is cool. This is my bookshelf. Don't worry about all the pricing that you see on everything. We still haven't took up the prices.
Get comfortable. Y'all find great for my phone by home. Oh, should I touch my shoes now?
Where?
I don't want to see mine.
Look at that. Is that for shoes?
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of cool.
What I'm going to do, oh, well, how much are those? Yeah, I'll worry back.
So we're taking a break because our phones are dying. So, you know, I'm stealing some power from IKEA. So we're just chilling. They done been asked us like 13 times if we need help. So, yeah, we'll holler at y'all when we come back.
Storage. Dimpa.
¿A dónde mierda yo voy a entrar?
Ay, yo no sé. Look at the pillows.
Okay, so you're gonna have your queen, which is your standard, and the next one is the king. So you carry it.
Is there a section with just mirrors?
That's the carpet home decoration.
Thank you. Callie just stay leaving me. First of all, she got me recording, right? And then, hold up. Yo no entiendo esto. Oh, okay. I don't understand this. Como you have me recording, pero I'm pushing the freaking car también. I'm over this. I'm out. I don't know which way this camera goes. I'm gonna smack Callie, guys. She's getting on my nerve. I'm not coming back to IKEA with her. She gonna have to fucking come to IKEA by her damn self because look, and then she leaves the cart again. Look, right? Cart.
Hampton. They're only $7.99, bro.
So get your damn pillows.
Wait, I'm gonna get one and one. Really?
You wanna have a pillow fight?
It's not a real pillow fight. These hurt.
Bang.
Wait, I'm gonna get a soft one and a hard one. No.
Bang. How many are you getting?
2. You want to pull back out?
Yeah.
I don't need pillowcases.
What are the pillows we're putting on the chairs? Home decor. It's in home decor. Come on.
I don't see it. It's not good.
What pillows are you gonna get though? What pillows were you thinking of?
Gray slashy one.
Where's the pink
But I
gray?
think this is bedroom stuff. I think it was.
That's what I just said. I just said that.
I know, it's okay. It's okay. It's dirty.
I think they were around.
Look at that one. Not my friend. Not my face.
Bitch. We don't need anything in here. Keep going.
Who said I don't need to? Oh, bath mat. I told you I needed a bath mat.
Oh.
Should I get pink?
Damn, those are soft as hell.
Oh, these are the ones I saw online. This one would be 4 in summertime. Ooh. I want a little one for in front of my toilet. Yeah, feedback. Oh, look at those pillows. Right there.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Do you like these? Do you like these? Do you? Stop already. Stop. You stop. Oh, look at all the pillows. Oh. Look. See, textiles. That's what I told you. I told you that. Look how cute. These are cute. That is really cute. I'm gonna buy you this one. Just go. I don't want that one. That one's ugly. Your face is ugly. So this is our IKEA haul. I have no idea how we're gonna fucking drive 48 minutes back home. Look how I'm like squished up, guys. It's endless, bro. And then look how I have to drive. Look how close I am to the stairs. Well, that might be my length. It might be. You might have to drive back. So we got a good amount of footage. Our phones died. So y'all gonna have to bear with what the fuck we have. Wow, look at this shirt. This is crazy, y'all. I'm like, we about to go eat some fucking meatballs and some mac and cheese and lingonberry juice. I didn't do it to anybody. You didn't do it to anybody. We were so like caught up. Okay, and we have Callie was everywhere. First of all, Callie was everywhere. Shh, this is how she was. That's exactly how she was. She got on my damn nerves today. And shout out to the cashier that forgot to scan my dresser. And free 99. Saved me $159. Well, I have a hernia. And I think I have one now. No, I literally have a hernia and it's bothering me. I feel it. And it's already been bothering me since before this. So we might do a 911 haul. Just kidding. A 911 vlog. I mean, we'll see you guys with our meatballs. Yeah, we're never fucking coming to IKEA again. Fuck IKEA. Look, I can't even fucking look at this shit. How the fuck am I supposed to drive like this? Don't say fuck IKEA. IKEA is fun. It's just you gotta come in the right car, guys. Yeah, and with a guy because my body hurts. Nobody wanted to help us. Our spleens are swollen right now. Hey guys. So we just noticed that we didn't film an outro to our IKEA video, so we're doing it now. So yeah, bye.